Greetings, welcome. How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Florida, USA. I am Emre, the webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I want to show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Florida, Miami, USA, or Orlando. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the step in this video. So easy. If you want to use 20% commission kickback code and link, you can find in description section in this video. Now, there is our website cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all information about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and others. You can see how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, PayPal, and other articles about all cryptocurrencies. Now, there is list of top cryptocurrencies. We can click. In this page, we can get all informations about cryptocurrencies. Yes. Articles and news about cryptocurrencies. Now, if we need information about Bitcoin, we can click info. So easy. And there is information about Bitcoin. Now, how to buy Bitcoin in Florida with easy way. Just click this button. Let's go.